Hey guys, we got a Stadium Club box 2017. This is for Frank B. He's going with box 5. We got all the new stuff available tonight. I'll move this off here. Optic, Ginter, Bowman Platinum, Stadium Club. All of it. So here you go. Good luck. Frank, yeah, if you type in the item number on watch count, sometimes it gives you what it actually sold for. There are somehow ways that you can make it not show up on there. I don't know how people do that. Maybe if it was a private listing. No feedback, etc., etc. Oh yeah, we got upside down, we got backwards. We'll deal with it as they come here. Tim loves opening Stadium Club. It's my favorite product. Okay, watchcount.com, Tony. You got a Harper, a Big Mac, a Schimpf, LeMahieu, Contact Sheet, Robbie Cano. Okay, 3 backwards cards, Whitey Ford, Odor, Celebration, that might be a short print, and Giancarlo. Cecchini, Henry Owens, Maeda. Ooh. Maeda and Miggy. Base card autograph black foil. That sounds like it would be a 1 of 1. Who wants to verify for me out of Stadium Club what the black foil parallel is? That's a nice hit. Glasnow, young rookie for the Pittsburgh Pirates. Chadwick might be interested in that. Black foil is a 1 of 1 indeed. I thought so. I know rainbow foil's out of 25. I know they have a gold foil too, so I wasn't sure. Black gold. 1 of 1, Frank. Nice freaking hit, brother. Spot price, at least. Glasnow, 1 of 1. Boy, we're gonna have some freaking nice cards on the highlight scans tonight. Stephen Vogt. We got Franco and Sean O'Malley, another celebration. Contreras, Veritek, dare I say the Charlie Murphy celebration or the Rick James? Has bad word in it, I can't say yet. Maybe after midnight. Power Zone, Big Mac. It's freaking awesome, man. 101, let's see what else is in here. Sale, Verlander, Vogt, Mauer, Cotton. Can't read the name. Hernan Perez, that's why I couldn't read it. Gold Giancarlo. And we got Goldie, Didi, and Zach Davies. Goldie, Didi, and Zach Davies. Frank B, you're not coming to the National, are you? By chance? Go pack on these. It's a little easier to filter out the backwards cards. Carlos Correa, Beam Team. Nice card. And then our backwards are Posey and Weeders. Piscate, Duke, there's a Jeter, and a black foil. Jeter, Neshek, black foil is DeGrom. Sideways, Dickerson and Greinke. The Greinke. Oh, look at you guys lying to him. Black foil is out of 25. False information, but you have a judge. Still a nice set for Glasnow. So Gold Rainbow's 1 of 1. I thought so. I thought so. A judge probably $10. Still a very nice hit. There's a Gold Diaz. And your sideways. Horizontal. Abreu, Tomas, Kershaw. Ryan, you are the crusher of dreams, my man. You stole the only black label in the sub. Just crushed poor Frank's plans for the night. He was going to go out and party. Trevor Story. Tanaka, scoreless streak. You owe him a beer if he comes to the National next year. Rod Carew and Will Myers. Alright, we got 8 packs left. Fake news! There you go. He CNN'd you. Joe Panic, Albert Almora, there's a Darvish. There's a big cat. And our horizontals. Hendricks. Do we have an auto mixed in here? We do. Seth Lugo is mixed in. Michael Franco is the gold. Seth Lugo is your second autograph. Not too bad. Glass now at 25. Seth Lugo, you get a Judge rookie. You still got 7 packs left. Let's see what else we can find in here. Salvi, Lopez, Span, Diaz, Power Zone KB. Nice card. Prado, John Gray, and Scherzer. You got it, Mike. If nobody beat you to the punch, you'll be up next. Might be a box wait or two. Price, Kluber, Selman, and Arrieta, black chrome with a foil board. Or a black foil, sorry, with the chrome. Alex Reyes, rookie. Throwback unis. And we got Joe Mauer, Shoemaker, and Hamels. 5 packs remain for Mr. Frank. Cargo, Ryan Express, and Ripken. Got a Hank and Ken Giles, contact sheet Stanton, Beham, and Seager. Kim's got an optic as well. We'll see who checked out first. Sanchez, Arcia, and Votto. Bo Jackson, Selman. We have a Dickerson, Ian Desmond, and Fernando Rodney. Koufax, Jones. Damn you upside down cards. Wright, Jones, Renfro, black foil Ichiro, Berrios, and Pence. No, optics a hobby product. Phillips, Rizzo, Solarte, Peterson, and Olsen. We got a gold foil O'Malley, Hayward, and Tulo. Tulo! Alright, Taillon, Jackie Robinson, Alex Reyes, Javi Baez. Got a scoreless streak insert of Chapman, and your final 2 cards, final 3, Danny Santana, Nelson Cruz. Line with the slide. There we go. AJ Ramos, pie face. There you go. Okay. That's pretty solid. Frank, thank you, buddy. Judge. That's now foil. Okay, we got a couple orders here. Looks like Dan's actually in first, guys.